If you think the pocket camera market has peaked, you are in for a massive surprise. Right now, a crazy war is brewing behind the scenes. Before we jump into the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, there is something quietly developing that could shake everything up. It is coming from a name nobody ignores. Canon is seriously working on its own pocket-sized gimbal camera. Fresh patent images reveal that this is not just a half-hearted attempt. The design sticks to the familiar handheld form with a grip, screen, and a stabilized head. But Canon adds a clever twist. Instead of just powering off and letting the gimbal flop around like most devices do, Canon uses smart sensors. These sensors detect when you are done shooting. Camera then gently folds itself into a safe position before shutting down completely. While rivals chase flashy upgrades like dual lenses and massive zoom, Canon is playing a different game. They are focusing on pure refinement. Think about better reliability, smarter power management. It's that classic Canon color science that creators absolutely love. Now, let's talk about the tension building around the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. We are right on the edge of a late May or June release. The suspense is real because we suddenly know too much. Leaks, early hands-on previews, and official filings point to a camera that is about to drop. This is not just a small upgrade. DJI is rewriting what a pocket camera can actually be. The biggest shift is the addition of dual cameras. For the very first time, the Pro model will combine a massive 1-inch primary sensor with a dedicated telephoto lens. This unlocks real optical zoom instead of fake digital tricks. You can frame wide, tight, and cinematic shots, all without moving your feet. Leaks also suggest the advanced image processing can handle stunning 4K video at 240 frames per second. It might even push into 6K territory. With 14 stops of dynamic range and 10-bit color, this is stepping into serious filmmaking territory. DJI is also making it easier to use. Expect a larger rotating touchscreen gesture controls and voice commands. A larger battery will keep you shooting much longer. It also features built-in storage of 128 gigabytes. That means no more swapping memory cards. Just shoot and go. The active track system is also getting smarter. It will easily lock onto multiple subjects for flawless, drone-like walking shots. This brings up a huge question. Should you wait for the upcoming DJI Pocket 4 Pro or buy the current DJI Pocket for right now? The standard DJI Pocket 4 is incredible. It is fast, simple, and over-delivers on quality. Most importantly, it is available today. Waiting for the Pro version feels smart, but uncertainty stretches time. Waiting quietly turns into weeks, then months. During that time, you are not shooting. You are not experimenting. You fall behind your own potential. If you need a camera right now to document your life or build a channel, buying the Pocket 4 is the exact right move. But if you are not in a rush and absolutely need the newest Pro features, waiting a few more weeks is perfectly okay. My best advice is to not let gear stop you from creating. People connect with your story, not your sensor size. If DJI suddenly becomes hard to find in your area, or you simply want a budget option, look at the Feiyu Pocket 3. It is a highly underrated camera. It is not trying to beat DJI at everything. Instead, it offers a totally detachable design. The camera head separates from the handle. This allows you to control it remotely. It also features a magnetic base. You can stick it to metal surfaces. For unique hands-free angles, it shoots 4K video at 60 frames per second on a solid sensor. Priced much cheaper than DJI, it is a brilliant, fun tool for beginners and casual travel vloggers. While the image quality and low-light performance are not top tier, the creative freedom it gives you is absolutely fantastic. Finally, we have the ultimate wildcard, the upcoming Insta360 Luna Ultra. This camera is challenging DJI head-on. Expected to launch very soon, Insta360 is bringing a dual camera system with optical zoom and massive hybrid zoom. It packs a huge 1-inch sensor. It offers 10-bit color and amazing dynamic range. The wildest feature is a rumored modular twist system. You can actually detach parts of the camera, including the gimbal. It might even support 8K video.
Ow.
Physical controls like a joystick and a zoom lever, This camera is built to completely shake up the market. As a creator, my best opinion is that the Insta360 Luna Ultra sounds like the most exciting innovation we have seen in years due to its modular design. It pushes boundaries in a very cool way. However, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro will almost certainly be the safest, most reliable powerhouse for everyday use. It offers incredible trusted quality. Ultimately, the best camera is the one you have. In your hand today, do not wait for perfection. If it stops you from filming, pick up a camera and tell your story. If you like the video, please subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, would you wait for the DJI Pocket 4 Pro or grab a camera and start creating today?